I'm Judy Ludy, and this is Puppet.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Puppet.
Hello.
Have you had a good week?
Yeah, pretty good.
You know what we're making this week?
No.
One of your favorites, or one of the actually our favorites.
Yes.
Hummus.
Oh, me like hummus.
I know you do. I know that you can buy it in the store, but I like to make it every week, usually on a Saturday. And with that, we'll start with 1 clove of garlic. Now, this is a big clove, see?
Yes.
It's kind of
very
big. So, depending on...
Aggressive.
Aggressive, but...
We thought this was family show.
It is. But we have to get that skin off there, so then you just get the clove.
Oh, potent.
Yeah, potent. So now this is, again, a bigger clove. So we don't like it so garlicky, so I'm going to cut that in half and then just pop it in here. I mean, honestly, it's so quick to make it yourself. It's a clove of garlic to start with, and now we like sun-dried tomato garlic, or sun-dried tomato hummus. We tend to like it with more sun-dried tomatoes, so we're going to put in all of this.
All of it.
Actually,
Everything.
These are whole. Yeah, you know what? We're going to leave a few out because that's a lot. Now, what I like to do before we put in, because hummus is made with just chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Like
or we often call them garbanzo beans. Those.
Garbanzo. That's the name of one of my cousins.
Is it?
Not really.
Not really. Now, what I'm going to have to do
His
is...
name Lorenzo.
I'm good.
Sorry.
Puppet, you're making me laugh. If you don't get this mixed before you start, you can never get it smooth.
Hey,
so yes.
This first time you use heavy machinery on
It
camera.
is. It is.
You
Watch
like it.
this. Now you can pulse it.
Oh. Oh.
Or I tend to just let it go.
What happened?
It's breaking up into smaller pieces. Right? And then sometimes I just boop, 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 pulse it. Right like that.
Boop, boop,
Boop,
boop.
boop, boop. Okay, so then to add the rest of the ingredients, it's just this simple. You're going to take your spatula and make sure everything's down.
Okay.
Because if you don't, it doesn't always tend to mix the right way.
Okay.
All right, leave that in there. Now, it really is the simple. It's a whole can of garbanzo beans. See?
Oh.
I'm not going to get them close to you.
S&W Garbanzo. Me here, they have the best beans.
They do have the best beans, and I use them all the time.
Sponsor.
That all in, liquid and all, less salt. See?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Your garbanzos, and now you're going to have to add tahini paste. Do you know what tahini paste is?
It looked like old peanut butter.
Well, it is not. It is ground up sesame seeds.
Okay.
See?
Oh.
Ground up sesame seeds.
Yep.
Now, often the one trick with this stuff, and it's not really a trick, but I do like to use it, is you can't just use this and pour it out because all of the paste settles in the bottom. You're going to get liquid and no substance. So when it's new, just make sure that you mix it. Going to take that and just pour some in there to your taste. I usually go, 2 tablespoons maybe. Then, so what have we got in here now? We've got garlic, we've got sun-dried tomatoes or flavoring of our choice. We've got
Garbanzo beans.
Garbanzo beans plus the liquid. We've got tahini paste. Now what makes this special is cumin, ground cumin. And again, this is pretty potent, so take it to your light, take it to your taste.
You like a lot of cumin.
Well, don't go crazy. It's easier to add than take out. Lemon zest.
That makes sense.
Now, I like to put in the rind of the lemon. We're going to grate it in there. See?
Yep.
And then salt. We're going to blitz this up.
Yes.
Lid on.
Yep.
Pulse it in and watch what happens. We also want the juice of 1 lemon. And I go half a lemon because that's a big lemon.
That very big.
And it's going to be a little tart. So let's start this. And it's going to really go. It's going to go for a while. Take this off. And we should. Now you're going to see the consistency. I wish we could see it on camera. See? That's too choppy. I don't know if you can see that.
Too many pieces?
Look at
Big pieces. Oh.
Too many big pieces.
Big pieces,
Big
yes.
pieces. So what we want to do is add our lemon. I like to put a strainer over there so I don't get a
no
mess.
seeds.
No seeds. Because
Good
we don't.
idea.
Yep. And then you just squeeze it. Give it a squeeze like that.
More aggression.
More aggression. If you're having a bad day, you could make this. That's probably enough. Let it go.
Let it rip.
We're going to add a little water. I like to shake it. Oh.
What happened?
Right?
Oh.
All good. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Now this is where I usually taste it.
That's a shovel.
I know. Needs more salt. Where I think it needs more salt. Right there. See how it's starting to lift in and it's starting to come together? You know that's the right way. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yep.
A lot of action. This is what television all about.
We're going to scrape it down.
Need some water?
No. All right. And then you're done. So we're just going to leave it like this. And that is hummus the homemade way.
It smells very good.
It is good. I wish
Pretty
you could
rich.
taste it.
Great. Me like it.
All right.
Ready?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.